Alright, we're going to change the oil on the Scat Pack. I'm going to show you guys the tools I use and how I do it. Got the Daytona low profile jack, and on the pinch weld we're using the ZL1 add-ons. It's like the pinch weld adapter. It's got magnets in it so it stays on there. Always want to be safe. Got your jack stands. Got some wood to go under the stand so it doesn't mess up the driveway. Gonna need a 10mm socket to get the engine shield off. I got this oil suitcase to collect all the oil. Wheel chocks for the back, gotta be safe. So under the car, after you get the car jacked up, you're gonna wanna look for that little triangle part. Right here, that's where the jack stand is gonna go. All right, the car is up. Got the e-brake down just for safety. Wheel chocks in the back. Engine is already warmed up. So we got the oil about 150 degrees. Now we're gonna go in. All right, the car is up on the jack stands. It's not as high as I'd like, but I can squeeze in. All right, we're under the car. Got to get the engine shield off. Just a couple of 10mm right here. Let's get this guy. Two back here. All right, engine shield is off. So under the car I've got the easy oil drain here. Let's take this cap off. I'm gonna put this hose on. Hook this guy up. It's hard to hold the camera and do this at the same time. So we'll put that in there, and then we'll just be able to drain our oil out nice and clean into the suitcase. No drip, no mess. Let the oil drain out. Take the shaker bubble off. And I'm going to use the shaker tool. It's just another 10mm, but I think it's magnetic, so it holds those little guys in. Got the shaker bubble off. We just need to access this port. The engine oil. Loosen that up. Make the oil come out a little faster. And so we got all the oil drained out. Next we're going to drain the oil from the oil filter. We're not actually changing the filter today. I've got the Canton Racing Spin on. That's good for, I forget how many thousands of miles, but you can check on their website. And I tapped it with an easy oil drain here too. So just drains out. Let that go for a few minutes. All right, so we got all the oil drained out of the filter and from the oil plug. we're gonna button it back up. We're gonna get the engine shield back on. All right, so the 6.4 Challenger, Charger, whatever, takes 7 quarts of 0W40. I went with the Pennzoil. Looks like it's synthetic. All right, the oil's in. All right, the shaker bubble's back on. Time to button it all up. So another cool thing about this suitcase, it holds about 16 quarts or something like that. Just makes it super easy for transporting. If you want to take it to the recycling center, I usually go to Advance Auto, or I guess, I don't know, any auto parts store near you that probably has the oil recycling. I use Advance, it's like right near my house, so yeah, you just pick it up, put it in your car. I don't transport this in the Challenger. I bring it in the Durango, but yeah, I just drop it off, empty it, bring it back. Super clean, super easy. Back in the cockpit. We took the e-brake off. Now we're gonna reset the oil filter life thingy. Car needs to be in the run position, but the ignition is not on. So you got, it says 48%, so you just gotta hold the OK button. 100%. And oil change is done. That's it. Let me know if you guys have any questions. All right, be safe.